Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix Instagram chat theme change option not showing. So guys, if you want to change your Instagram chat theme and chat theme change option not showing, then I'll help you how to fix your problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to open your Instagram and clicking on your messenger. And guys, here you can see when I am clicking on theme, so guys, here you can see I am sure I have the option of theme change on my Instagram chat. So guys, here you can see chat theme. So guys, if you can't see this option, so guys, simply you need to go back. And first of all, you need to update your Instagram because this option is available only on updated Instagram app. So guys, if you are using oldest version of Instagram, then you need to update to Instagram to latest iOS version, So guys, how can you update? So guys, simply you need to open your Play Store, and guys, here you need to search Instagram, and guys, click on Instagram, and guys, here you will find the option of update. So guys, I have already updated this app, therefore I have not showing the option of update. So guys, if you have option of update, then guys, you need to update your Instagram from here. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and after updating still not showing Instagram chat theme change, then guys, you need to open your Instagram app. And guys, after this you need to click on your main profile, click on three lines, and click on settings and privacy. And guys, after this you need to click on help, click on report a problem, and click on report a problem. And guys, after this click on include and continue. And guys, here you need to write your problem that you have not showing the option of Instagram chat theme change. So guys, after writing your problem, you need to upload your screenshot in which you have not showing the option of Instagram chat theme change. And guys, after doing all things, you need to click on send. And after sending your problem, within a minute or within a day, your problem will be fixed and you will be able to change your Instagram chat theme. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.